Hi friends, today we are going to do my daily 10-minute or less writing exercise that will help you with your writing and increase your vocabulary. I produce one of these videos daily, so if you like the new one for each day, please consider subscribing. I'm going to select 3 random words from the dictionary for us to play around with today. We're going to use them in a sentence so that we better understand them by putting them into context. I've included links below to Merriam-Webster's website where you can find the definitions and pronunciation and any additional information. Today's 3 words I've selected for us to play around with are exorbitant, cacophony, and din. Exorbitant, cacophony, and din. Let's use each one of these words in a sentence and just play around with them with our writing. Starting with exorbitant. An exorbitant is an adjective, and it means exceeding appropriate or customary limits. Let's see. Begrudgingly, he paid for the repairs to his car, even though he thought the cost was exorbitant. So he thought the cost was too high, yet he paid for it. He wasn't happy about it. That is exorbitant. Let's use cacophony in a sentence. And cacophony is a noun, meaning a person, place, or a thing. And it means harsh sound. All right, cacophony. Santa shouted joyfully over the cacophony of the woodworking tools as the elves worked diligently to make the toys for the children. So you can imagine in Santa's workshop, all these elves working their butts off to make the toys for the coming Christmas holiday. And he's smiling, watching over these elves working away. They're making a lot of noise because they're hammering things, sawing, whatever they're doing. Anyway, that's cacophony. Let's use din in a sentence. And din can be either a noun or a verb. So either a person, place, or a thing, or a verb and action word. And it means loud, continuous noise. So we have another word referring to noise. The workers shouted over the din of the enormous printing press as it churned out thousands of copies of the morning newspaper. So you can imagine this enormous printing press just churning out these newspapers. And it's just this loud, continuous noise of these presses running. Din means loud, continuous noise, so you get the idea. Anyway, 3 wonderful words. Exorbitant, cacophony, and din. Play around with them, make them part of your vocabulary, and please consider subscribing if you'd like this video and you want the new one for the next day. And thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy writing, and I'll see you in the next one.